My name's Lockie.
I'm Callum.
I'm Eugene.
I'm Caleb.
I'm Mimi.
We're MathNate, a team of passionate mechatronic engineers, game developers and business students with a mission to engage all high school students with complex maths.
So, how do we get students engaged? Our app features our interactive maths engine, which is one of 3 in the world, allowing students to solve equations by physically rearranging them on their screens. Our content focuses on grade 8 level algebra, starting with an arithmetic unit, and then covering order of operations, grouping like terms, simplifying expressions, and solving equations through balancing and transposing them. Every level includes a tutorial that walks students through the concepts they are about to tackle in the level, a practice mode where our equation generators are able to provide thousands of unique equations for your students to practice, and a challenge mode where students demonstrate mastery and earn stars.
We've been working with several schools over the last couple of months, and we're now looking to offer even more teachers free access to the app to help us trial the learning outcomes. If you're interested in your class getting a free trial, please give me a call on 0406 350 656 or send me an email, lachlan@mate.education. The details are in the description. We're really looking forward to working with you to help all high school students master complex maths.